So your first assignment is going to be the topic proposal and research and writing plan. So this assignment basically will lay the groundwork for the remainder of the research that you'll do for the rest of the semester. Um, Not everything you lay out here needs to be followed exactly, but it's all about establishing goals and coming up with a timeline. Um, this is the assignment where you'll explore what you think you're interested in. Try to choose a topic that you're interested in. If you're interested in what you're writing about, it's going to make for a better paper. I'm more likely to be interested at reading it. So the project consists of two parts. The first part is an idea discussion, or more formally, a concept exploration. So the entire essay will be about 600 words. This first section will only be about 300 words. So read some Wikipedia articles, do some basic Google searches, explore the internet, look for information. I call this pre-search, where you're just sort of putting feelers out and seeing what's out there, seeing what people have said about what you think you might be interested in writing about. And then you will express that in this first 300 word section. Um, Make sure you don't quote or paraphrase or summarize anything or otherwise copy any information from the sources that you look at. This assignment isn't about representing research. Your research doing this assignment is only to inspire you. It's only to help you figure out what you want the crux of your research this semester to be. The second part should be a brief explanation of how you're going to accomplish your goals. What do you need to know? What do you already know? What do you not know? What questions do you need answered? And how do you plan on going about answering them? What amount of research do you think is going to be required? When and how do you plan on doing this research? The second part needs to be at least 300 words, and it should map out what you hope to accomplish with this project and detail why your audience, not just me, but anybody who's interested in your topic, should or would be interested. Think of this part like a timeline. You can actually write a real timeline if you want to, though it's not required. Again, you don't need to cite specific references in this section. Um, this is a very important assignment because it will be a focal point for all the work that you do for the rest of the semester. So make sure that you're interested and that you're settled on what you want to write about in this assignment. So, for example, look at some Wikipedia pages. Um, Read some of the references in that Wikipedia page. Um, See what information is out there. So the audience is your classmates, an intelligent group of people with diverse backgrounds but strong understanding of most basic academic and social topics. A secondary audience would be anybody who's interested in the topic that you end up choosing. It's exploratory. That's very important for you to understand. It's an exploration of what you think you might want to delve into this semester. And then the second half is a proposal on how you plan on doing that. Um, and the purpose is to begin forming a coherent topic with the intention of receiving peer reviewed feedback. So the purpose really is to formulate what you want the topic of your final essay to be, and then how you're going to go about starting to do the work you need to do to write that final essay. And so the due date's Friday, June the 15th. The rough draft will be due to the rough draft discussion board, and then the final draft will be due Tuesday, June 19th.